Everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your this music isn't available in your region problem in your Instagram app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just start our video. So if you're having those kind of problems, what you will do is simply just go to your Instagram first. You just recorded a wanna add in your music and it's showing that this music is not available in your region problem. Okay, so sometimes some particular music are not available in Instagram itself, so you cannot get the access that music in your Instagram. But if it's mentioning region option, then what you can do is you can simply go to your Play Store and you will simply search VPN in the search bar. Free VPN, there are many available. You can simply download any of the VPN available over here, simply install them, and you can open that VPN app given, and then you will simply change your region, and then you can get access to those particular sounds over there. So yeah, this is how you can simply get the non-available songs in your region. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.